how to log in to Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Shake Shack account online so you can place orders, track rewards and enjoy all the perks. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can then just click on the search bar and search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here once you see the interface like this, at the top right corner you can see the option labeled as sign in. So simply click on that and here once you click on it you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now there you can simply type in your email address and password you used to sign up and double check for typos so you don't get login errors. And after entering your info, you can simply click sign in. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. But here just in case if you forgot your password, then you can just click on forget password and enter your email and follow the instruction to reset it and you will be back in your account in no time. And that's it. Logging in to Shake Shack is quick and easy. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.